my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So, dear students, today let we start GK Unit 3 Healthy Life and Environment. Chapter number 19 Food. So, students, fill in the boxes. Let we start. Question number 1. The sources of food we eat are plants and animals. Plants and animals. Question number 2. Ingredients are dash of the plant, seeds. Question number 3. Green vegetables are rich in vitamins. Question number 4. Bread and chapatis are made from wheat. Number 5 is protein rich food. Milk and fish are protein rich food. Milk and fish. Milk and fish are protein rich food. Number 6. Food is digested easily. Cooked food. Cooked food is digested easily. Number 7. Milk is said to be complete food. Number 8. A 3-month-old baby needs milk. Number 9. Cheese and curd are bodybuilding food. Number 10. We eat stem of lotus. Lotus. Number 11. Food gives us energy. Number 12. People in coastal areas eat fish. Thirty. Spices add flavor to our food. 14 is known as land of spices. Kerala is known as land of spices. 15. The substances in food which are not useful for our body are called filters. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Health is wealth. So students, look at the pictures, read the descriptions and write the ways to become healthy and fit. You may use the clue box. Number 1, doing this after using the washroom and before and after taking meals help prevent diseases. So, washing hands. Answer is washing hands. Okay. Number 2, it relaxes the mind and body and helps you become alert. Taking rest. Number 3, this helps you get important nutrients and fiber necessary for the body to work properly and become healthy. Eating fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables. Number 4, this helps remove toxins from the body. Drinking this when it is not clean causes many diseases such as typhoid and jaundice. The drinking clean water. So the answer is drinking clean water. And the last one, number 5, this keeps your mind free from worries and makes you happy and healthy. No stress. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. So the chapter is don't use plastic. Plastic in any form of any quality is harmful to our health. So it is a curse for our environment. For a better world, you must avoid exposure to all forms of plastic. So you should take the initiative yourself. We can begin with greater awareness of the small ways in which we can reduce our exposure to plastic. Some plastic products and their alternatives are given below in separate columns. Match the two columns, plastic product and alternatives. So number 1, shopping bags, jute clothes bags. Okay. Number 2, toys, wooden, metal or bamboo. Number 3, buckets, aluminium and steel. Number 4, water bottles. Option A, metal or steel bottles. Metal or steel bottles. Number 5, optical lenses. Option I, glass. Number 6, packaging, milk, oil. जो भी पैकेट में सामान आता है, एवरीथिंग इज पैकेजिंग जो होते हैं, तो वो किस में होने चाहिए? ग्लास बॉटल्स, टिन, अदर मेटल्स, नॉट प्लास्टिक. Number 7, cutlery. Option E, glass, steel, bone china and clay, etc. Number 8, tiffin box. Option H, stainless steel. Number 9, mattresses. Option J, jute, coir. Number 10, water containers. Option G, earthen pots, ceramic filters. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. Be mannerful. Okay. Etiquette, is the unwritten code of good manners and decorum. Respect, kindness, and consideration from the basis of good manners and good citizenship. Do you also want to be liked as a kind, polite, and well behaved child? Then try to inculcate good manners and etiquette in your daily life. So, how will you respond in these situations? Answer in short. What will you say if you need somebody's attention? So, I will say, excuse me. Number two, whenever you wish to ask for something, what will you say? I will say, please. Next, number three, what will you say whenever you receive something? Thank you. Number four, what should you always do while coughing or sneezing? So, cover your mouth. Cover your mouth with hanky, with tissue paper. Number five, it is good to interrupt others while they are talking. No, it's bad manner. Number six, what should you always do before entering the room? Knock the door and ask for permission. Number seven, should you use foul language for words? No. Number eight, should you make fun of anyone for no reason? No. Number nine, should you comment on anybody's physical appearance? No. Number 10, what should you do in the classroom when you want to say something? Stand or raise your hand. Stand or raise your hand. Okay? So these are the good manners and bad manners. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 23. Environment quiz. Okay. So students, read the following questions and write the correct answer. 1. From which source does all the energy in a food chain originates? Option B, the sun. Number 2. In which country was green peace founded? Option C, Canada. Question number 3. Which country is the world leader in the number of solar power systems installed per capita? Option A, Australia. Number 4. Which gas emitted by power stations causes acid rain? So option D, sulfur dioxide. Number 5. In which year was the first World Environment Day celebrated? Option B, 1973. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24. Breathe in, breathe out. Question number A. Different animals have different methods of respiration. So, most land animals use lungs while water animals use gills. Primitive animals did not and do not have any special organs for respiration. So, as their cells directly exchange gases. Listed here are some animals and the body parts they use to inhale and exhale. So, match the pairs and help them survive. Okay, creature and body parts. So, let me start. Number one, human. Option D, nose. Number two, frog. Option E, skin. Number three, fish. Option F, gills. Number four, cockroach. Option C, spiracles. Number five, jellyfish. Option B, skill. And the last one, sponge. Option A, pores. Okay, रोम छिद्र जो होते हैं. Now, question number B. Label the diagram. You can take help from the help box. Okay, so let me start. Number one, nostrils. This is. Next, number two, windpipe. Next, number three, mouth. Number four, these are lungs. Number five, these are bronchioles. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 25. Air pollution. Chapter number 25, air pollution. Answer these following questions. So let me start. Number one, these fuels do not cause any pollution in the air and hence are called idle fuels. So what is CNG and LPG? Number two, this gas is mainly responsible for the greenhouse effect, carbon dioxide. Number three, you can get it from a green pump at a petrol pump and it must be used if a car has a catalytic converter. So this is unleaded petrol. Next, number four, it is serious dust diseases caused due to inhaling coal dust. Black lung. Number five, this gas is the main cause of the acid rain. Sulfur dioxide. Number six, it is the collective noun for these three gases, carbon dioxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. So the answer is greenhouse gases. Number 7. It is the term used for making old materials into something new. Recycling. Number A. This Italian river discharges 234 tons of arsenic poisonous chemical into the sea every year. So the number 8 is river poop. River poop. Number 9. The major sources of this gas are automobile exhaust and incomplete combustion of fuels. If inhaled, it causes nausea, headache, and giddiness. So the answer is carbon monoxide. Number 10. Its abbreviation is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 26. Medicinal plants. Plants have been identified and used by the people from prehistoric times. So herbal medicines can be beneficial and have fewer harmful side effects than the conventional pharmaceutical drugs used in the modern medical science. So some plants and their medicinal uses are given below. Match them. Okay, so let me start. First one, Amla. Option C, one of the most powerful antioxidants, contains vitamin C. Number 2, sandalwood. Option A, skin disorder, burning sensation, relieves headache. 3, tulsi. Option E, cough, cold, antibiotic, okay, fungicidal, antipyretic. Next, number 4, peppermint. Option B, digestive and painkiller. Number 5, neem. Option H, analgesic, sedative, epilepsy, antihypertensive. 5. Number 5. Number 6, cinnamon, जिसको हम दालचीनी भी कहते हैं. We all are said dalchini. So this is option G, bronchitis, asthma, fever, cardiac disorders. 6. Number 7, cinchona. Now option D, malaria, fever and painkiller. Last one, number 8, henna, mehendi. Option F, burning steam, anti-inflammatory. Okay, so these are the medicinal plant and their uses. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 27. The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect occurs when Earth's atmosphere traps solar radiation because of the presence of certain gases. So it causes temperature to rise. The atmosphere of Earth is a thin layer of gases that cloaks and protects the planet. So, dear students, answer the following questions by choosing the most appropriate option. Question number 1. The lower layer of the atmosphere that contains greenhouse gases is called option B, troposphere. Okay. Number 2, which of these promotes the greenhouse effect? Deforestation and fossil fuel burning, both. Number 3, which is not a greenhouse gas? Option A, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Number 4, there is only one gas that causes the greenhouse effect. False. Option B. Question number 5. The increasing amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere may lead to a general rise in the temperature. So, this is called option B, global warming. Number 6. In the polar regions, global warming may lead to increase in melting of ice. Number 7. A greenhouse is generally built to grow tropical plants in, so the option C, cold areas. Number 8. After converting the rays from the sun into heat energy, the earth releases infrared rays. Option. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 28. Rules of the road. So students, it is important to cultivate safety habits. We should take care of our safety. So learn some of the safety habits to be followed on road. So let me start. Number 1, it is safe to use the zebra crossing while crossing the road. Correct. Number 2, look to your right and left and again right before crossing the road. Number 3, never climb or jump over the railing or dividers. Number 4, cross only after the vehicles have stopped. Number 5, look at the pedestrian light signal. The red man says to stop and the green man says to go. Number 6, cross only by walking, not by running. So next portion, match the sentences with the correct pictures. Also write yes or no in the box. Number A, singing while crossing the road, no. B, this one. Running after a kite on the road, no. C, this is C. Using a footpath, yes. D, number 4. Queuing up to board the bus, yes. कि लाइन से जो है जब आप बस में चढ़ते हैं तो लाइन से. नंबर E, option number 6. Crossing road when the green man is off, yes. Crossing the road when green man is on. Red means stop, yes. Number E, yes. And the last one, F, playing on the road, no. So these are the manners about road safety, okay? So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.